Namaste to everyone. I'm Yogi Himanshu, and today we are gonna talk about the importance of discipline in the life. Let me tell you, all the great people, whatever they achieve it on the base of their disciplined life. So if we don't have discipline in our life, we cannot achieve great things in the life. Why discipline is important? Because as a human being, as a social animal, we have many aspects in the life. We have responsibility to establish good relationship in this society. We have responsibility to earn money, to make our surviving better in the society. We have responsibility to look after our physical health, mental health, as well as our other responsibility in the family. So if we do not have discipline, it won't be possible to utilize the 24 hours in a proper way. So if we have discipline, we know this is our time of working and we work in that time. This is our time of working over our physical health. We work on our physical health. Accordingly, we work on our mental health. We work in this society to make our relationship better, and these all process help us to live a better lifestyle. It gives us a healthy lifestyle. So because we are a social animal, therefore discipline is must if we want to live a healthy lifestyle, if we want to live worth lifestyle, meaningful lifestyle. Therefore discipline is most required. And the most important thing nowadays in the modern time, I believe most of us give priority only to the money and only to the objects. We want to acquire as much as money possible in short time, and we want to buy everything, we want to travel everywhere, and into all these things we forget to paying attention into our physical health, mental health, and we forget to paying attention into the society for creating a good relationship in the society. We forget to paying attention into our families. And yes, when we go crazy, we earn money, but at the same time we lose a lot of things, and that money is not worth it when we are losing at the same time so many other things. So yes, we should also earn money, but at the same time we should also pay attention to other aspects, so that whatever we earn, it can be worth it. At the same time we do not lose the other aspect. Otherwise, if we are just earning and earning, and at the end our physical and mental health is gone, and whatever we have earned, now we are investing back into just improving our physical health, mental health, our relationship, and unfortunately we never enjoyed the money, and we are not able to enjoy the money. So therefore discipline in the life is most important. So follow the discipline if you want to achieve something great in the life. It is very simple thing, not great philosophy, very simple thing. If we follow, there is nothing which can stumble us in the life. Even if we get stumbled, we can proudly stand back. Thank you so much for listening. We wish you a wonderful day, wonderful time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Namaste.